Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to set up a shipping profile in Shopify, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to organize your shipping options, create custom profiles for different products, and make it easier for your customers to buy from you wherever they are in the world. Let's jump right in. So to get started, head over to your Shopify admin. First, look for the Settings tab. It's usually found at the bottom left of your dashboard. Click into Settings and then find Shipping and Delivery. This is where you'll manage everything related to how your products get to your customers. Taking the time to set this up properly is super important because clear shipping options mean happy customers and fewer surprises for you down the line. Next, you'll see an option that says Create Custom Profile. Go ahead and click on that. This is a handy feature for anyone who sells a variety of products and needs different shipping rules for different items. For example, maybe you sell both t-shirts and fragile mugs. Mugs might need special handling or different carriers. Once you've clicked to create a custom profile, you'll be prompted to add a profile name. Think of this name as a label for your own organization. Something nice and clear, like fragile items or free shipping products. This way, as your store grows, you can quickly see which group of products is covered by each profile. Give it a name that makes sense to you. Now, it's time to add products. This part might take a few moments if you've got a big catalog, but just take your time. Select the products that you want to include in this shipping profile. Remember, this lets you tailor the shipping rates and options for each product specifically. It's a great way to manage costs and avoid overcharging or undercharging your customers. After you've added your products, you need to add your shop location. This tells Shopify where your products will ship from, which is essential for calculating rates, delivery times, and carrier availability. If you have only one physical location, this part is pretty straightforward. If you ship from multiple places, make sure to select the correct location for each profile. It might seem small, but it helps Shopify route orders and estimate shipping fees accurately. Next up is the shipping zone. Shipping zones are groups of countries or regions that share the same shipping rates. Maybe you want to offer free shipping within your own country but charge a flat rate for international buyers. Here, you'll set that up. Click to add a shipping zone, then give it a name, something like domestic or rest of world, and select the relevant countries or regions. This way, you can offer different services, prices, or delivery times depending on where your customers live. Here's another important step. Add countries or regions to a market. This part connects your shipping settings with Shopify's Markets function, allowing you to manage localized details. For instance, if you start selling in Canada as well as the US, you'll want to tweak shipping options for Canadian buyers. You can adjust your shipping zones separately for each market, customizing as needed to offer the best possible experience for customers in each location. Once you're happy with everything, your profile name, products, shop location, shipping zones, and country selections, don't forget to click Save. Seriously, hit that Save button. I've seen way too many people do all this hard work and lose it by navigating away too fast. Saving locks in your changes and activates the shipping profile, making it live and ready for your customers. That's it. You've just built a custom shipping profile tailored to your Shopify store. These settings will help you control costs, keep your customers informed, and make selling internationally a whole lot smoother. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have any questions or run into any snags, drop them in the comments. I read through everyone and reply when I can. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials, and click the bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.